Oh, I just finished service on this 60 pan. This one isn't for sale. Runs real good. I think it's only a 2-owner bike. The guy that had this was in World War II. He's got his ship over here on the dash. I can see the original hi-fi green paint under the gas cap here. Really a super straight bike. Handful of little chrome things changed on it, but other than that, this is like a real deal original, nice 60 pan. 44,000 original miles. Motor's been done once. It's just been sitting the last couple of years. I sold it to my good buddy Dave, and you know, battery, took the carb off, cleaned all that. I had never done the carb on this, so I retuned it. It's nice. I was just riding it, so it probably doesn't even need it. Nice one. It's got the slicked out look with the speedster bars, solo seat. I like bubble bags a lot. I like it better than the later bags. You know, these are notoriously difficult to start FLHs. I think a big part of it is, you know, the suspension. You go give it that oomph, but the suspension takes a little bit of that away from you. But this one starts pretty reasonable. Good, makes good power. They look good slicked out like this.